Hello, little learners. My name is Yomirya.
My name is Mastaa.
In the kitchen, what's that sound? A playful kitten's all around. A kitten tiptoes on the counter high, spills a bowl of flour with a pigeon cry. White cloud in the air, we laugh and swear. Learning mess can make us smile and twirl. So much fun to find. Mischief in each moment with friends so kind. Mix and stare and learn together as we go. Laughter and learning in every flow. Sticky paws on jars of jam, sweet, red, and bright. Kitten tastes a tiny bit, then darts out of sight. Splurp, splurp goes the taste with a soft purr mew. Every little mistake helps us learn something new. On shelf 1, 2, 3, 4. Kitten pumps them gently, then adds one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count again. Kitten and I learn together, mess and game. Sponge in hand, let's wipe the floor away. Kitten helps with soft mews to clear play. Sparkling counters shine so bright. Learning cleanup is part of our delight. Kitten in the kitchen, so much fun to find. Mischief in each moment with friends so kind. Mix and stir and learn together as we go. Laughter and learning in every flow. Kitten in the kitchen, our hearts are warm. With mischievous meals, some lessons form. Come along and sing with me right now. Kitten and I, success we vow. See you soon when the baking's done. Kitten in the kitchen, fun for everyone.
Click the red button to play with us again. See you soon!